Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your Tesla automatically, guys. So first, you just want to hop into your Tesla and tap on the car icon at the bottom left of your touchscreen to access the controls menu. Once you're in the controls menu, guys, you want to look for the locks option, okay? This is where you can set up all the locking and unlocking features of your Tesla. So now we're going to need to basically enable the automatic locking. So in the lock section, you will see an option for automatic locking. Make sure this feature is enabled. This actually allows your Tesla to lock itself automatically when you walk away with your key or your phone. So if you're using a key fob, okay, guys, if you're using a key fob, then you can also use that. You can also use a phone key, but let's actually show you how to set up automatic unlocking as well. So this feature allows your Tesla to unlock automatically when you approach it with your key or phone, right? Just toggle the switch to enable this feature as well. Just enable both these features, and then, guys, if you're using a key fob, just make sure it is actually linked to your Tesla, guys. Make sure it is linked to your Tesla. For those using a phone key, guys, also ensure that the Tesla app is installed and that you've added your phone as a key in the app. Now that you've set everything up, guys, it's actually time to test the features. Walk away from your Tesla and see if it locks automatically, and then approach your car with your key or your phone to ensure that it unlocks as expected, guys. And that's it, guys. You've successfully set up your Tesla to lock and unlock automatically, making your driving experience even more convenient, guys. For more ways to upgrade your riding further, guys, make sure you hit that link in the description. Until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and see you.